Flakes.
Ay na po sila mamaya.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Sige na, okay na. Kunin mo na. It's 11:07 a.m. With my partner, as always, forever and ever. Tender partner as well. Sarap ba? Okay. Nasty. You know. Okay. Ellie Mall. It's 6:56 p.m. Beef broccoli and camaron. Wow. Okay. Ellie Mall, Cubao. BBQ. Mang Dings on a Friday. Morning, good morning. Teacher. Eight 10 p.m.
Every weekend, they go to Robinsons because nandun yung mga essentials nila kasi walang mall sa kabila.
Kasama. Related din.
Ha? Until now. Yeah, I opened Go Hotel and Summit Hotel Tacloban in 2009-26.
Hindi pa kuwente man sa loob.
Hindi pa tak. Hindi, after the Great Flood. After the Great Flood. Yeah. Summit Hotel. Summit Hotel. Ay, sorry. Go Hotel Tacloban yung pinaka-una doon. Yeah, ganon. Yeah. Tacloban is nice. Moron. Ano favorite na?
Ito, nakita na tayo nilagyan.
Kita.
Ito yung pa na-try.
Overload.
Never pa ako nakatry.
Yeah.
Masarap yan. Ewan ko ba hindi na natin?
Yan yung unang-unang in-order namin.
Yeah. Tell me when you're done, ha? I can start,
Tenga, asan yung isaw?
Okay.
Asan yung
the isaw is
bulaklak?
here.
Asan yung bulaklak?
I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is pork. Yeah, that's the kamutis.
Yan, tenga to. Yan yung bulaklak.
Yeah.
Okay, Pops. Do your thing.
Do my thing?
Yeah.
Oo nga, bulaklak. Charon, di ba ba?
Yep. Bulaklak.
Sana nga may magpatay ng kami.
Doing the top job.
There's no goat dito, di ba?
Hindi, doon.
Saan? Doon. Okay.
Tigas ng barbecue.
Yeah, give it to me.
Tigas ng barbecue.
Grabe. Okay. May receiver doon.
Apa.
Okay. Noted. Okay. Hindi, matagal na nandyan, pero we never used it. Honestly, we never used it. Okay lang. Yeah, dito, may parol na sa likod mo eh. Papasok. Yeah, we're done. Yeah. In 6 weeks, we're done. Yeah, honestly. In 6 weeks, you're fucking done.
Payroll na lang ako sa 13 months.
Bob, happy birthday! Eh,
Itong year na to, nandito ako.
oh yeah. Yeah, kasi every year may yung Christmas biyahe niya. The in-laws, the outlaws. Yeah. Anong watch for the night mo? Watch for the night mo. Ano? Sige, mamaya ka.
Non-joking ano.
Mamaya ka.
Nauna na ako eh. Tagal mo eh.
Wow! Ako, kasalanan. Ay,
Maaga
putik.
na kami dumating.
Putik. Kasalanan ng putik. Ayun.
Nakaalis kami ng 4:40, 7:30.
Yung masarap ng lutong Batangas.
Yung masarap, yung kinakain
Kikiam
na ng mga
and
local.
chicken.
Ika nga namin, di ba? Pag nandun ka, sir, tap namin lang dito. Goto. Not Goto Batangas, Goto lang po.
Actually, ang ko nila, yung specialty pa nila bro, Lomi.
Along Mapo Tofu. I love Mapo Tofu.
Masarap ka, mag-estero tayo.
Pops!
Yeah.
It's 10:25 p.m. and we're done.
Panaray ka pala yun.